Uranus and Neptune, two giant worlds at the far edge of our solar system, cold, distant, and almost completely unexplored. One spins on its side like a rolling ball. The other has storms with winds faster than the speed of sound. They are full of mysteries, and yet most people know almost nothing about them. The history of their discovery, the strange features of their moons, the science behind their atmospheres, and the future missions that may one day reveal their mysteries. Let's begin. First, Uranus. It is the seventh planet from the Sun, and about 4 times wider than Earth. It was discovered in 1781 by William Herschel, a musician turned astronomer who built his own telescope. At first, he thought it was just a faint star, but careful study revealed it was moving. This was the first planet discovered with a telescope. Scientists argued over its name. Some wanted to call it Herschel, but in the end, it was named Uranus, after the ancient god of the sky. What makes Uranus truly strange is its tilt. It is tipped almost completely on its side. Astronomers believe a giant impact long ago knocked the planet over. This tilt creates bizarre seasons. Each pole spends more than 20 years in constant sunlight, followed by 20 years of darkness. Imagine a summer that lasts 20 years and a winter just as long. That is Uranus. Uranus also has rings. They are thin and dark, discovered in 1977 when the planet passed in front of a star. The rings are narrow, made of icy particles and dust, circling the planet like faint shadows. And Uranus has 27 moons. Their names come from Shakespeare and English poetry. Titania and Oberon are the largest. Ariel and Umbriel orbit closer in. And then there is Miranda. Miranda looks broken and rebuilt, with cliffs 20 kilometers tall. It is one of the most dramatic landscapes in the solar system. The planet itself is a frozen world. Its blue-green color comes from methane gas absorbing red light. Temperatures fall to -200 degrees Celsius. It is colder than expected, and astronomers still debate why. Its magnetic field is also strange. On Earth, the magnetic field is aligned with our axis, but on Uranus, it is tilted and off-center, creating a twisted, shifting shield. Now, let's turn to Neptune, the 8th planet and the most distant from the Sun. Unlike Uranus, it was discovered through mathematics. In the 1800s, astronomers noticed Uranus drifting off its predicted path. A French mathematician, Urbain Le Verrier, calculated the position of a hidden planet. When telescopes were pointed at his prediction, Neptune was found in 1846. It was the first planet discovered by math. Neptune is slightly smaller than Uranus, but far more active. Its atmosphere is stormy and fierce. Winds race at more than 2,000 kilometers per hour, faster than the speed of sound. No other planet has winds so extreme. Voyager 2 in 1989 revealed the Great Dark Spot, a storm as large as Earth. It faded within a few years, but others appeared. Neptune seems alive with shifting weather. Despite being 30 times farther from the Sun than Earth, it produces its own internal heat, radiating more than it receives, and this energy drives its violent storms. Neptune has 14 known moons. The largest is Triton, almost as big as our own moon. Triton is unusual. It orbits backward, opposite Neptune's rotation. This suggests it was captured from the Kuiper Belt. Triton is geologically active. Voyager 2 saw geysers of nitrogen gas erupting from its surface, leaving black streaks on the ice. Its surface is young and smooth, as if it is constantly being reshaped. Many scientists believe Triton hides an ocean beneath its crust. If so, it could be one of the farthest places where life might exist. Together, Uranus and Neptune are called the ice giants. They are different from Jupiter and Saturn, which are gas giants. While Jupiter and Saturn are mostly hydrogen and helium, Uranus and Neptune have large amounts of water, ammonia, and methane ices. This chemistry gives them their blue colors and makes them unique. Studying them matters because ice giants seem common in other solar systems. Exoplanet surveys show many worlds like Uranus and Neptune. By exploring ours, we learn about planets across the galaxy. But here is the truth. Only one spacecraft has ever visited them. Voyager 2 flew past Uranus in 1986 and Neptune in 1989. Since then, we have never returned. That is why scientists want new missions. A Uranus orbiter and probe could study the planet for years and send a probe into its atmosphere. A Neptune orbiter could explore Triton up close, searching for a hidden ocean. These missions would be difficult and expensive, but the discoveries could be revolutionary. So, why do Uranus and Neptune matter? Because they remind us of how much we still do not know. We have rovers on Mars, orbiters at Jupiter and Saturn, but the ice giants remain almost untouched. Perhaps they can teach us why Earth is warm and alive while they are frozen and stormy. Or maybe they will surprise us with something completely new. The next time you picture the solar system, do not stop at Saturn. Beyond it, two giants wait in the shadows, Uranus and Neptune, the forgotten worlds. It is time we returned. If you enjoyed this journey, please like this video, subscribe for more space stories, and share your thoughts in the comments. Which planet do you think we should visit first, Uranus or Neptune? Together, let's keep exploring the cosmos.